location, so I have to move in here this side and go to the other side. So yeah guys, I was in the wrong location, so I have to move. The hall, I don't know if you will see, this carries about 1,000 people. Coco. Fuck. Okay guys, so I'm out here outside Paradise Hall. There's nobody here, so I just want to check it out and see how it goes, but looks like there's nobody here, so I don't know how to get in. Yes, it's behind me right here. Hey man, I'm not about to hear. Jesus! And there is no number phones over here. I don't know who to call and stuff. I wanna, so actually, you can see this is it. Yo, crazy. Thoughts, there's the thought. Leaving until somebody answers. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving here. As you can see, the door is like opened and stuff. I wanna, so yeah. There is the zone. Zoom it. Okay, I need a zoom here. This is the zone. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm outside the venue over here. Just talked to the guy. He said that the venue is for free, so I mean, we're gonna get it for free. So what we need to do is I need to submit a proposal for him to accept me. You know, I need to actually beg for the venue right there. So I think I'm gonna start typing in my proposal tomorrow. So yeah, that's what's gonna be. So just need to go around. This is the civic center in Bloemfontein. So they agreed to give me the venue for free, but they didn't agree. They said I must write a proposal. So I wanna do the show in November. So I think I'm gonna just do that. I think I'm gonna write them proposal. So I'm thinking of doing 2 shows in November. So the one, and I will show some of the halls. So the one from MCUPP and the one from Civic Center. So I'm thinking of doing 2 shows together. So yeah, I'll have to pretend like I'm doing this thing. So yeah, I think I will have to do 2 shows because people are just looking me at weird. Yeah, I'm gonna do 2 shows guys, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And this is your boy TTTK, sir. Detective someone. Those people are looking at me very weird. Sorry if I was repetitive. I was repeating the same time. Now I'm shy. This thing now vlog publicly, especially using my phone. It's weird guys. It's very weird. So I'm gonna do 2 shows, comedy shows. One from the event there, the event to your Civic Center. It's so small. It carries around like 440 people. So it's so small. I wanna break to 1,000. So I don't know how am I gonna do it. So guys, you can advise me. Should I go for the free one or should I do the venue? But the free one is going to save me money and stuff. So it's going to save me like a lot of money to do that show. The money that I'm gonna use, I'm gonna pay like artists and stuff. So I'm gonna pay like artists and stuff for that money, and I'm gonna use the money that I was supposed to book the venue, if they can agree to pay the artist. So the one from, I'm tempted. Even though the crowd is so small, I'm tempted. I'm really tempted because the venue is for free. Like they have like sound system, the venue, the bookings, and well, just that the venue is it's not in a public space, and a lot of people, I need to have like followers who will support my thing over there. So it's very, very, very sad. I don't know if you are enjoying what I'm saying. So right now I'm going to water. This is the mall right here. So yeah. This public thing here, I'm so like really scared to do it. So you need to have like boldness in order to do this thing. You really need. Lo siento. So actually I have like made more projects coming. Like I have a project where I am talking to So guys, yeah, as you know, for me, KFC, for me, I'm loving it. I'm gonna chow, just that I'm using the KFC to balance the whole thing. So I'll just show you here. Yeah, right now I'm at the waterfront mall in Goofing Around. So yeah, let me chow. Sorry for low quality. A place in the camera. Look out. I was saying this place is like thugs. People smoke weed here. Yeah, this is like a park for weed. Guys, I'm sorry for low quality. I'm using my phone over here. It's not a camera, so I haven't bought a very decent camera. So I think I don't know when will I buy it, but I'll buy it. So I wanna wrap this video up. It was a very nice day. I spent the whole day going upside down, looking for halls to do this comedy show with, because I'm no longer in Kwarko, I'm in Bloemfontein. So I found most places closed. So I think I came like very late. Yeah, those girls looking me weird. Hello. Okay, that's those girls. I don't know if you saw them. So yeah, guys, I was saying, please in a little TMP. Like I said, guys, I don't know if you can still. Nah, I walk through them. Like I walk through those tags. So she used to go for 9 years. 2 years ago. I mean, I don't have a gun. I like pretending like I have a gun. Skipping the road, left, right. They told me in primary that when you skip a road, you must look left and right and skip. Yeah, I won't fear these boys. I've been into lions den, so these boys are small boys. But they're smoking weed right here. So, hey, these boys, man, and they are still in school. That is the saddest part about it. Still in school. I believe here it was like newspaper was written there. You can see me behind the screen right here. So guys, yeah, I don't know if the whole video will make sense at the end, but I will try to make it make sense somehow. But it's just a vlog, guys. I'm working, I'm not driving right now. Speaking of driving, I have like challenge of raising 100,000 rands within 3 months. So that is the challenge. I have never done it. Like I have never. The only money that I have raised so far that was big was like those 30,000 rands within 4 months. So I don't know how I'm gonna pull this one off. So guys, people looking at me. But guys, trust me and believe that we are going to try to pull this off, and I'm going to raise 100,000 within 3 months. That is no longer 3 months. Within 2 within 2 and half months. So yeah, it's gonna be there. This is where I am right here. So if you're wondering, I have to keep my phone low because right here people are looking very dozy. I used to stay right here, like in my first year in Bloemfontein. This was my street. I used to stay there, like there. I'll show you. I used to drink at that point. So right now I think the block has ended. I'm just gonna go there and drink and stuff, and yeah, I just wanna drink water. So now alcohol. Okay, let's go. Without wasting any time, people are looking at me weirdly. This used to be my street right here. Yeah, right here.